Hey everyone, Dr. Eric, the fitness physician, where I talk about all things related to hormonal fitness and muscle medicine, hormone optimization, peptides, and much more. So today I'm just going to talk quickly about a couple of different things related to certain amino acids. I'm going to do a few of these as well, but one that I love in particular, and I talk to with a lot of my patients, is collagen supplementation. And I'll dig into just pure collagen, but one of those contributors of collagen is glycine. It's an amino acid that I really like for supplementation for just about everyone. So it's kind of an unsung hero of our bodies in terms of needs, and I think it's something that we don't get enough of in general, and it's easy to supplement. Fortunately, you can definitely get it in foods, but sometimes it's best to supplement, and I'll go over the reasons why. So a couple of things that people would be interested in that can actually, a couple of studies actually showed an enhancement of physical performance. They can put it up against a couple other things, a couple other amino acids and et cetera, like for example, citrulline or arginine actually had improvements in athletic performance as well. It wasn't a huge amount, but it was beneficial. The biggest one is collagen, right? And of course, supplementing with collagen itself is great, but one of the components of collagen is glycine. It's one of the amino acids in there, and this is just a nice way to add to it. And I'll talk about how to bring it into your protocol. It's just another tool to help with increased collagen synthesis. And of course, we know about the importance of collagen for our joints, our soft tissues, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and much, much more. It's integral, and especially as we get older, our soft tissues, our ligaments and tendons, etc., are often the ones that break down or have injuries, right? Sometimes the muscle is still staying pretty strong, but the weak point is the ligaments. That's why so many people, you hear about people having injuries from tendonitis, or they're lifting heavy weights, their muscles are okay, but their tendons give out. They don't bounce back or recover as quickly. They're harder to warm up, harder to provide nutrients and blood flow to. So it's important to keep these structures strong and pliable. So collagen is huge. Another one is it can also help with muscle growth, right? It's an indirect activation of mTOR and decreased protein breakdown, which of course can help with anabolism and muscle growth. And of course, that's something we want to maintain. Is our important structure is our muscle. I've talked about before, muscle is one of the largest endocrine organs in the body. We need to maintain that. Again, I'm all about muscle health. A few studies have indicated benefits with aging, right? In terms of there's a certain gene found in fibroblasts called the GCAT, and then when they give it glycine and turn on this gene, it actually makes them kind of act like young cells again and maintain proper fibroblast function, fibroblasts of the cells in our soft tissues, collagen, in terms of in cells like, again, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, things of this nature. They're the repair cells. When you get an injury or a strain or a wound, they rush in there to heal it and promote scars, and which is, promote healing. Again, when you get a cut or an injury or a tendon injury, they're healing that tissue. So important to maintain important healthy fibroblasts. Another huge one, of course, we all talk about gut, right? And gut issues. Gut health and GI health in terms of glycine is important for that. That and glutamine are two great amino acids that can promote gut health by healing the microvilli, those little finger-like projections that are billions of them inside on the inner lining of the intestine where the food is absorbed. So you have to maintain optimal intestinal health. It can decrease incidence of leaky gut, promote proper gut function. That way we're absorbing the nutrients we need and getting rid of the toxins, etc., that we don't need. When people have a leaky gut or inflamed gut and they're gassy, they're bloated, they're not absorbing things properly, obviously that's not a good thing. It's going to promote bad health, bad absorption, and we all know how important about the gut is in the microbiome. We're hearing a ton of that every day, and we're learning more and more every day. Another huge one is sleep. You know me, I'm big on sleep and stress, the big double S, right? So sleep is a good thing that can be enhanced with glycine. So I recommend taking some glycine, and I take a nighttime stack, which I'll describe later, but one thing you can do is at nighttime take a few grams, 3, 4 to 5 grams of glycine, just mix it with some water, some juice, and just chug it down before bed. You can mix it with other things too, like I do. But glycine has been known, again, it's kind of it can help promote sleep. Again, I won't get into all the biochemical mechanisms, but it can help with formation of other neurotransmitters in the brain to promote relaxation. Whereas you have the glutamate, which is the excitatory neurotransmitter. You have GABA and glycine and things like this, which are actually more of the calming neurotransmitters, so it can promote sleep. So that being said, glycine has a huge number of things that it can do, be beneficial for the body. So again, you can get some things in foods, but not typically on the outside. It's easy to supplement, and the recommendations are all over the place, anywhere from 3 to 5 grams. Some sources say you can go up to 10 to 20 grams at a time. It's not anything that's going to hurt you if you're taking too much of it. I usually take anywhere from 5 to 10 grams at a time. And again, usually at night, but sometimes it's the best to divide up in doses. So add some glycine to your regimen. I think you'll notice a difference. It does help, especially as we get older and we're starting to break down a little bit and getting some aches and injuries and things of this nature. So, and of course, help with the important things too, muscle growth, sleep, gut health, much more than just your joints. So hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to dig into some more amino acids later. Let me know, like this post, share it. Let me know what you want to hear about, and I will talk about it. Tag me. I'm doing telemedicine, can help and do consultations anywhere, and happy to help you achieve your hormonal fitness and muscle medicine optimization program. Put it into work and put it into action. Also doing an awesome 1-2 punch with Ali Gilbert. We have a combination consultation where you can actually consult with both of us, get the best of both worlds, and get the ultimate optimization plan for your health and performance. So reach out. Everyone have an awesome day. We'll talk to you soon.